It's been said you are what you eat.
I would always encourage people to reach for the low-hanging fruit when it comes to improving their health. Nutrition tends to be one of them.
Registered dietitian Kat Galeos says the right food can be medicine.
There has been a lot of research that eating the right nutrition, eating a plant-forward diet, does decrease your risk for chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, certain cancers, and just increases your quality of life and your longevity in general.
Living a healthier life starts in the kitchen.
The thing with the food being healthy is it's homemade, right? So getting back to cooking in your kitchen, you're choosing the ingredients and you're cooking from scratch, so you know exactly what's going in there.
Lee Health offers a variety of different culinary classes in our teaching kitchens.
And the classes typically go from 1 hour demo style classes where it's all just, we have a big audience and they observe, and then we also have hands-on culinary classes where they can actually get in and cut and chop and prepare the food.
Galeos says the classes are informative, therapeutic, and fun.
Having fun in the kitchen is the most important thing, and learning something, getting something educational out of the class is always a plus, but we always have fun.
You can learn more on leehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.